Hello, Hornets, and welcome to this week's Bust the Buzz,
starring Austin,
Kevin,
and Tyler. The third AM at Homes is next Saturday, November 23rd, from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m.
we will have many fun activities, although they are a all mystery right now, and I can assure you they are all fun.
This event is gluten free, so come and join your friends along.
And don't forget about Spirit Wear. Get them while you still can. They're only here until November 22nd.
In other news, the wrestling season is right around the corner, so join us and get your friends to participate as well.
If you have a special skill to join the variety show, audition for November 13th, but you can still try out on the 20th from 3:30 to 4:30.
Don't forget about the yearbook contest to show off your amazing art skills.
Did you do any of the activities for Kindness Day? Today is the last day to do so, so give it your all.
Our Pep Assembly was last Friday. We have Mrs. Garninas to give us the information about the Pep Assembly.
Over the summer, decided we need to have some excitement here at Holmes Middle School. We want to get everyone together and just celebrate being Holmes Hornets.
Why do we have Pep Assembly?
I just told you. We want the whole school to be together to just celebrate and be happy. Go Hornets!
What is your favorite thing about the Pep Assembly?
Well, can't you tell? It's the only time in my life I can make believe I'm a cheerleader. Hello? I don't do this only at the Pep Assembly!
What grade do you think will show the most student pride?
That's a great question. You know what? I believe it would be the sixth graders. Because, sixth graders, they're still in the school spirit. But I hope most of the classes I teach are seventh graders. So I really hope the seventh graders will win.
Thank you. Now we're going to interview some kids that were there.
What do you think about the Pep Assembly last week?
It was pretty good.
What was your favorite part about it?
We got to do challenges.
What do you think about the challenges they had?
It was pretty good.
And what do you think we should do next for the next Pep Assembly?
Add sports like basketball or something.
What was your favorite part about the Pep Assembly?
When they did the challenges.
What do you think about the challenges they had?
They looked easy.
What do you think about the Pep Assembly we had last week?
I think it was fun to watch the competitions, like the 6th graders, 8th graders, 7th graders, and the teachers. Exciting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was your favorite part about the assembly?
Oh, when people had to try and eat an Oreo off their face.
What do you think we should do for the next Pep Assembly?
Maybe we should who can drink water the fastest, or who can drink the most water in 30 seconds or in a minute, something like that.
Thank you for watching What's the Buzz Live.
Thank you for tuning in.
Ta-da!
Thank you.